Hi guys, I'm so excited to introduce you to Megan. She is the beauty freaking queen of Instagram's makeup. Like, I feel like she's so underrated.
Guys,
she's on Jeffree Star's level. Like, I'm not even kidding. Please check her page out, like, right after this video.
I'm just let me say, I am so excited to be here with Leo today. Like, this person is honestly just like one of the best people I have ever met. And like,
we're gonna show you guys like a basic getting ready with both of us.
We're just gonna do like a get ready with me type of thing today. Just like chat, get ready, do our thing,
get
you know.
Get to know each other, and you'll get to know us as well.
Yay!
If you wanted to.
Yeah, if you want to. What do you always start with?
I start with face wash. This is BioMedical Emporium. It's a South African brand.
Yeah.
The lady that makes it, she is a dermatologist kind of. I'm not even sure because she's got so many qualifications regarding skin. She does things like...
I've actually never even heard of this brand.
This brand.
BioMedical Emporium.
Can I tell you, it changed my life. And I'm not even just saying. Yeah. After that, I literally go into my basic moisturizer, Gabanna, plain drugstore stuff. You can use this. And I just layer my face with
it. If it works, it works though. Hey, like, that's the thing about drugstores is a lot of people don't realize how good some of these products actually are.
Definitely.
I'm just going in with my, so I've got this Kiki Beauty primer. If you guys haven't heard of Kiki Beauty, check them out because their stuff is honestly just so good. And the way this closes, like...
Oh, that's beautiful.
It's so cute.
And that's also a South African brand.
Yes, yeah.
After doing my moisturizer, guys, I use this. It's another drugstore brand. All of my brands are mostly drugstore because I don't need necessarily the expensive brands to achieve my daily routine.
Yeah, like what you do.
So yeah, and I mean, as Megan said earlier, most of the drugstore brands are so good.
Yeah, you don't need.
It's actually funny because I used this, and when I got it, like when Megan saw it, she was like, "This is one of my favorites." So
yeah,
it's honestly, it's LA Girl Pro Coverage. It's like a long wear liquid foundation, I suppose.
Yeah. You know, that is the foundation I use on all of my clients.
Oh, really?
Literally, I have every single shade.
But I really like it because it does its job. My daily routine is with my finger.
But that's awesome though, hey? Like, I think a lot of people also underestimate how good of a tool your fingers actually are.
Definitely. So generally, after I lay down the basic foundation, then I go in with mattifying compact powder. So I know this is usually something you use at the end.
We love essence,
but I use it as a bronzer because I don't like the amount of shimmer that's in most normal bronzers.
That is a thing,
and like for me as a guy, if I go to college, I don't necessarily want everyone to be like, oh, he's wearing a full face of makeup.
Yeah, like you want people
I want it to be natural. Yeah. So
it should be beautiful. You're either born with it or you're not.
Yeah.
You're born with it. You're just born with it.
Says you, honestly.
Leo, we go so far back, like honestly, like...
It's going, yeah, I think we're
been a while.
We've been friends since literally my first year.
Yeah.
Then we started getting to know each other.
I was in high school when I met you.
I think so,
Yeah.
And I mean, now it's 3 years later. Guys, I'm finishing my degree at the end of this year. I'm praying because I'm so over it. I'm so over it.
That is so exciting though, Leo. Like,
it is. So, I can't wait. You like to use the stick contour?
Yes. Oh my god, I have like a cream contour palette. Oh, you're using powders.
I'm using powders,
nice.
Girl. My skin gets so oily so quickly, so I prefer powders. This is also a drugstore brand. I've had this for 2 years and it's been lasting me so long.
Beauty Treats, y'all, if you have not heard of Beauty Treats, they have some of the cheapest, best makeup you can find.
I think I bought this palette 2-3 years ago at like 150 rand.
It's so good.
And I've been using it literally every day.
Oh, you know what, I was watching Tati, you know, I don't know Tati. I was watching one of her videos and she like taught me this technique with contour kind of, where you go all around your lips with contour and it looks so crazy. Like while you're doing it, but when the makeup's done, you won't believe like what an awesome effect. You make your lips look so big. It's crazy.
I mean, guys, can I tell you, like one of my biggest insecurities has always been my lips. And that's, no, honestly, I remember I was 15 and there was this one guy that like, he just for some reason could not stand me. But it was over social media. It was honestly, it wasn't even, we didn't even know each other in person, which is the worst. So something he commented on back then was he said, you've got such bushy like eyebrows, it looks like caterpillars. and you've got no top lip.
Thank you.
That has honestly stayed with me my whole life, and it's been a huge insecurity until I just kind of, I accepted it, and now bushy eyebrows are cool, okay?
Exactly.
So I start with my forehead, go down with my cheekbones, and then just go down to the bottom as well.
Yes.
And then you just kind of blend it out, and then somewhere else where I also put a little bit of contour is at the bottom of my bottom lip.
Same here.
And then
I
at
love
the
to
top,
take like a powder contour and just like
And
focus
go
it underneath. It makes it look so powdery.
it does, yeah.
Like,
I suppose everyone
correct.
always has their insecurities. And it's cool, like
Yeah.
my one friend, AJ, I don't know if you've seen, I did like all these covers,
Yes, Armand Joubert, yeah.
I've done all these cover designs for his new like music, and his music is so good.
Speaking about music, okay, like props to AJ, but like, can we just talk a little bit about Leo's new music?
Thanks. It's actually thanks to him that like I can do this. He's helped me so much.
That is amazing.
And we've got a track coming out together as well. Releasing probably in a month or two. Great summer banger. And it's so savage. And I went karaoke to go to a karaoke bar last night with AJ actually. And we had the best time, and that was one of the first times that I actually got exposed to doing live music, I suppose, because I've recorded my tracks in a silent studio.
So you've never actually had like a live experience?
I've never had a live experience.
That's
Yesterday, you guys, it's terrifying. Terrifying. I feel like you're born a performer or not. I'm not born a performer. What's your favorite perfume?
My favorite perfume? I have two. I'm like, some days I wake up and I'm like a girl on a budget. Other days I just want to be like a bougie bitch. You know what I mean? You feel me? So on those days, I love Marc Jacobs Daisy.
I love that. It's such a sweet,
So like sweet
refreshing.
and so gentle, and
I love it.
It's beautiful.
The other day, I had such a horrible experience.
No, what?
I went
Tell us about it.
I'm not going to name and shame this time because I feel like it could happen to anyone.
Yeah.
But I went there and the lady literally ripped off half of my other slit. So my eyebrow looks so short, but here was another slit and then my eyebrow kind of continued. And she just took off the whole thing.
Oh my god.
So now I'm rocking one slit waiting for my eyebrows to grow back. So tell me, this that you put now under your eyes, right?
Yes.
That is that kind of part of the what they call baking.
Yes, it is baking. So like,
What is that? Because I've never understood it.
basically you just, okay, so your foundation is like still kind of wet, like when you put it on, and it dries, and like even when it dries, it's still not completely like set,
Okay.
And like, if you just put some powder underneath your eyes or like wherever you want to bake now, okay, it brightens, so it adds some like light to that area, and then it also just like sucks all of the moisture out of the foundation. It just, keeps your face nice and like set the whole day. So yeah, no.
My favorite perfume that I've been using, guys, is Dolce and Gabbana's light blue. I don't know if you've ever smelled it, but listen, don't get me wrong. I am so for wearing any perfume you want because I love the woman's one, honestly. I just kind of feel like who sets the boundaries with what is a male and what's a female smell?
Exactly, like who decides?
Who decided that?
And can I tell you, I'm not sure which brand it's by, but there's a perfume called Pleasures, and I always buy the male one because it just smells better.
A perfume smells differently on each person.
Yeah.
So I work well with the citrus smells. If I wear something citrusy, people always compliment.
So my uncle, he once picked me up from school, and he told me, like, we have to go buy some Old Spice, okay? Like, Old Spice, the deodorant, okay?
I actually know.
Do you? Yeah. So he says, like, I need to go and, like, just buy myself some Old Spice. And he was like, let's just go buy some Old Spice, and I didn't know what Old Spice was, okay? So I thought he was, like, talking about, like, Old Spice, okay? Like, actual expired spices. Yeah. And then I was just like, okay, that's weird, but let's just go and buy some Old Spice. So we walk into Checkers, and he's like, can you help me find it? And I take him to the spice aisle. And I'm like, I don't know, I think this one might be expired. The worst, guys, like.
That's hilarious. Okay, so can I tell you, this is a very DIY thing that I started using, activated charcoal. So I've used it before on my teeth because I know people say it like makes your teeth whiter, and like all the new facial products have activated charcoal in. So I'm supposing
good things, like.
Yeah, I'm supposing it's great. I use this sometimes, most of the time, to just give some darkness to my beard.
Guys, DIY 101 here.
I use a brush and literally just touch the base and then also kind of clean it out in the bottle.
Smart.
And then literally just go alongside my beard and just dab a little bit everywhere.
That's so clever. I actually can't feel.
It helps so much because it also creates shadows, which obviously adds to cheekbones for contouring without it looking too fake. Because there's a lot of tricks, guys.
Yeah, there's so many. And like, you can know it all and not know it all. You know? Like, you never know it all. You know, I only recently switched up my brow routine. I used to do like every single day, I would do like that Instagram brow type thing. And like...
Tell me, is the faded brow still a thing? The feathered, you know?
I think she's cancelled. She's cancelled, yeah. Like, you know, just like...
It's an art though.
It is an art. Like, don't get us wrong, it's definitely something that takes a lot of practice and it's hard to master. But she's cancelled.
2019, hi.
Hi.
So, like, I've just been looking. There's something demonic. Something demonic is happening here.
Oh my gosh.
I've been looking at this and it's so freaking beautiful. I've seen all the reviews and like, I literally just can't get it out.
That is my favorite palette of Jeffrey, I think. That and blood sugar.
I mean, how many looks can you do with this?
It's endless, honestly. You know, we went to London Pride and I wore like every single colour on my eyelids to Pride. What? Because like rainbows, you know? And it was awesome.
So what I'm using now is also quite a cheap mascara by Essence.
Can we just talk about Essence mascaras for a second? They're so good. Oh, you know why I always used to use that Essence waterproof mascara? It was like one of the first mascaras I ever bought. And I just used to cry so much in high school. Like so much, you know. I was such a crybaby that I used to buy the waterproof one just so that like my makeup wouldn't get ruined at school. Cause like
that's so hard. That's so sad to hear.
It's so like
so like horrible.
Like literally, I was just, but like I was a crybaby. Like honestly, everything made me cry. So and like honestly, nothing's changed. Like emotional and proud. Because
my eyebrows are so dark, I just use my general mascara that I use on my eyes as well. But I just kind of get to shape my brows. I might as well do that. I would generally do this just to go to college or go do my daily thing. Maybe at night time, I will go in a little bit darker with everything and maybe go a little bit brighter with the highlighter as well. But for a daily look, this is kind of what I do. So new with eyelashes every time because I don't know how you can put it on yourself. I tried this before and it's never been successful.
Can I just say, for the last, like, not even joking, 3 years of my life, I haven't gone a single day without wearing fake lashes. Not even weekends. Like Saturdays and Sundays even. I'll wear no makeup with only lashes. By the way, I'm done.
Oh wow, well it's beautiful. Like I'm always staggered by
Thank you. This is just like honestly what I do when I'm not, like I don't even have eyeshadow on.
You don't have a big day.
Yeah, like when I don't have a big day.
This took you 30 minutes. How long does it take you per day?
Yeah, it takes me like half an hour, especially if I'm not talking, then it goes quick. But like if I'm sitting here chatting, having fun, then like I'm a little slower. Like, can I tell you, I made the biggest mistake because like it was, I'm like a first time importer, you know, like I only just started like importing things. And I made the mistake of like trying to save some money here and there, you know, so, and I did not courier my things. So 90%, I'm not even joking, 90% of the stock that I had for Porcelain Heart Shop never even came. We had like these beautiful like heart chokers and everything, literally never even saw them. And like I doubt that I'm ever going to.
That's so sad. Well, like once a mistake.
Never again, yeah.
I've been a lesson.
Yes.
So
like now I know, now I know.
Listen, I love your look, it's so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy.
Yeah, just like
it's just a casual
getting ready together, chatting.
Getting to know the people behind the experience. It was nice.
But yeah,
it was so nice.
This was awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me on your channel, Leo, and thank you for introducing me to all your beautiful people.
Thank you. Well, Megan and I did another video. It will be on her channel as of now. So hop on over and
see something fun. You might get to see Leo looking a little different. Yeah, super excited, but you're gonna have to hop on over for that. So yeah,
thanks guys.
Thank you for watching, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Make me see the light like a burning fire, like a burning fire, like a burning fire.